How to replace the gas tank on a Craftsman riding tractor. Replacing the Craftsman riding tractor's gas tank is often a task left to professionals for a substantial amount of money. Removing an old gas tank requires you to siphon fuel, remove the mower's fender assembly, manipulate the fuel line, and reassemble these parts once the actual tank has been swapped out. You can save a wealth of money and handle the replacement of your Craftsman tractor's gas tank yourself, even if you have no previous experience with operating on riding tractors. Things you will need: hand siphon, gas can, socket wrench, clamp tool, Phillips screwdriver, replacement gas tank. Use a hand siphon to remove the fuel from your Craftsman's gas tank and put it in a gas can. Lift up the seat of your Craftsman tractor. Remove the nuts and bolts along the tractor's fender assembly, which is connected to the bottom of the mower frame. These nuts and bolts are between the inner side of the fenders and the gas tank on Craftsman models. Remove the nuts and bolts with a socket wrench. Remove the fender assembly. Move the fuel line away from the gas tank to ensure no spillage occurs from the line. Lift up the gas tank and move out the tractor's fuel line several inches, then use a clamp tool on the line to hold it in place. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw securing the fuel line to your Craftsman tractor's gas tank. Your specific Craftsman riding tractor may or may not have the fuel line attached to the gas tank. Remove the gas tank by pulling it up and out. Lower the replacement gas tank into the Craftsman tractor's mower. Make sure that it's the same size tank as you removed from your specific model. Reattach the fuel line to the gas tank, if applicable, by reinserting the removed screw with your Phillips screwdriver. Remove the clamp from the fuel line. Set the Craftsman tractor's fender assembly back into place, securing it against the gas tank with the removed nuts and bolts. Tighten the nuts and bolts into place with your socket wrench. Use your gas can to fill your Craftsman tractor's new tank up with fuel. Lower the driver's seat back into position.